to another video on Woodley Southwest. Tonight you join me here in colindale. Why am I here? I want to show you the new colindale entrance slash platform. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a little show you. So basically we've got your platforms here. Edgware, see things like that. You've got your button, help point, fire alarm slashings. You've got your billboards, your nice little sign, colindale, your tube map, your disabled access ramp. You've also got your billboard. You've got your time for your trains, edgware, things like that. So please come down, and you've also got your lovely Randall colindale in white and blue. You've also got your way out, your lift access, your way out. We are going to go up here to have a look at the things at the moment. Then we'll come back down and, to show you what it has to offer. So yeah, come up here and I'll show you what it has to offer you if you're going to come to colindale this summer and come to see the new entrance. I like it. I really do. I love how they done the windows now. You can really see the trains. So if you're a train enthusiast, you'll come to colindale. Wow, you're in for a good treat. Also, it has your stairs down to your northern. Your lift should be disabled access. It does have step-free access if you're coming via your via Colindale Museum. Does have your Randall too, which is here. So yeah, we've also got a nice little, well, how can I put it? It's very nice, and I love how they've made it. But do let me know in the comments, do you actually like how it's looking at colindale? Do let me know, because you may never know, you might even, you also have your, where the staff sit and monitor things. So yeah, that's your colindale. Look around upstairs. We'll go down and I'll show you some more. So yeah, also has your colindale edgware. How can I put it? Also has your colindale edgware harrow things there. Your changes to like your London Underground, but it's history, and it shows you everything you need to know if you're going to come and visit London. It also shows you how colindale used to look like from the extension now open. So please do actually come down and have a good look at colindale, because it's well worth the visit. This video will be out probably tomorrow or whenever, but could be out tomorrow. I'm not so sure. So at the moment they're building some here, so I'm not sure if there's going to be the viewing platform, because if you're going to come and look view your trains, all you need really to do is stand there. So yeah, If you're a train officer, there you go, you've got your trains coming down from Edgware. So, you know, and going to Edgware. So, yeah, what do you actually think of the new entrance? Do let me know in the comments. Because the more that watch it, the more, you know, might dislike it. Also, it has your steps here going down to platforms 1 and 2. Right, so there you go, you got your vandal, your display thing, your map, your platform 1, platform 2. So yeah, that leaves me one kind of things to say. So, did you actually like Colindale look around? If you did, then let me know your favorite parts. Then comes a Northern. If you actually did like this video, please let me know in the comments what you think of the Colindale station itself. Also, how it could change if you're going to come to Colindale. It does have an area. So yeah, please do come down and you know. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have yourself a great night. From Colindale Station, good night. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Night night.